Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I've got 2 more days worth of sales on Poshmark. Let's see what I sold. All right, so this must be spring is in the air and love is in the air because I sold 2 wedding ring sets on this set of listings these 2 days, but I'm going to show you everything that I sold in the last 2 days, give you how much I paid for it, how much my earnings were, not what they actually sold for, but what my earnings were after fees, write it on the board, add it all up, and tell you what my total for the 2 days worth of sales.
Shipping and fees, you get that question?
Oh yes, this does not include, this is after shipping and fees, so all of that is taken out when I give you my earnings numbers. So
the number you write on the board is what?
My earnings after shipping and fees, and then I deduct what I paid for it. So that's the number I write on the board.
So it's your total profit that you write on the board?
Yes, it's my total profit that I actually get to keep actual money. All right, so my first item that I sold is a new with tags Who What Wear black striped midi dress. I got this out of a liquidation box of a ton of stuff for $1. $5.25 is my earnings after all my fees and shipping. So $4, let's find a marker that works. $4.25 would be my total earnings after I deduct my $1. So $4.25. Then my next item, like I said, love is in the air. I've got myself a set of wedding rings. I paid $10 for this at the cash and carry for the ASD Market Week, and then I earned. Hold on, I lost my spot here. Then I earned $14.40. So if I take my $10 off, $4.40 are my profits on that. Then the next item I've got is a pair of Gino Vitale really nice men's dress shoes, size 8 medium. They look like this. They're kind of a navy blue black almost. They're very, very dark navy blue. Size 8 mediums. I spent $4 out of a liquidation box for those. $10.20 is what I earned. So $6.20 are my profits total after I take my $4 back. Then I have a really nice Ava and Viv. This came out of one of my giant palettes that I've opened. So this was $1. $4.05 is what I earned. $3.05 would be my profit after my $1 is taken back. Then I've got a sports bra that is purple. This came from the Goodwill outlet. So when I shop at the Goodwill outlet, I buy everything per pound. So it averages out to be about 50 cents an item. So 50 cents is what I paid for this. $1.25 is what I earned. And so 75 cents are my in-pocket profits for that particular item. And then, funny me, it took me forever to find these shoes in my stuff because as soon as I looked at them, I thought that they were kids' shoes from the picture. And then if I would have just read the listing title, then I would have realized these are actually women's shoes. But aren't they really cute? I love them. They're gold Desiree style slip-ons with a big bow. $4.25. $2 is what I paid for those out of a liquidation box. And so $2.25 are my profits for those pair of shoes. So always read your own listings because those have been on my site for a while, and so I had forgotten exactly what those shoes were. And so I was glad to actually move them. Then I've got a new with tag Dead Zen Levi's low-rise crop boyfriend jeans. These came from the Goodwill outlet for 50 cents. $14.40 is what I earned. And so if I take my 50 cents off of that, I've got $13.90 on one pair of awesome jeans that already looked used because they've got holes in them, but that's the style. I've got a new with tags Russell Athletic Dry Power 360 size large shirt. This came out of a liquidation box for $1. $4.05 is what I earned, so $3.05 are my in-pocket profits. Then we're going to wander on down here. I've got a huge bundle, which I love. You know I love my bundles. So this is an acrylic blanket scarf that I'm going to give you the sale prices on this, and then I'll give you the total earnings prices on this because they usually get discounted shipping if they buy more than one item. So I'll give you what they sold for, then I'll tell you how much I paid for them, and then my earnings. So this actually sold for $6. A new with tags Champion XXL fleece shoulder zipper. This sold for $21. A pair of Stafford Tailored Culture Micro Fleece XXL pants. This sold for $9. And then this new with tags Hot Edition. It is literally summertime and I sold a wool blend long trench coat for $21. And so my earnings on all 4 of those things, obviously, if you add up the sales prices, are not going to be as what my earnings are, because you got to have Poshmark fees. So $30.40 is what I earned. So let's add up what I paid. So this was $4 out of a liquidation box plus $2 out of a liquidation box, which makes $6, plus $1 out of a liquidation box, $7, and then another $1. That makes $8. Take $8 off of the $3.40, and that puts
out of the $30.
Yes, $30.40. Thank you. That puts me at $22.40. Yes, I get talking too fast and I get ahead of my brain. Alrighty, then I have another bundle where I sold a this is a universal thread size small wrapped jumpsuit, and then a new with tags universal thread olive cotton romper. So rompers are really big right now. Both of these came out of a liquidation box for $2 a piece. $15.80 is what I earned, and so I take my $4 off, and then I end up with $11.80 on those. Then, of course, love is in the air. I sold me another wedding ring set. It's actually the exact same one as the other one. These were the last ones I had of these in size 7, and I earned the exact same amount. So $14.40 was what my earnings were, and then of course I take my $10 off, and then $4.40 are my profits there. Then I have another bundle. So I've got a Stylist Exertion Performance Wear Razorback tank top that sold for $5. And then I've got a colorful East 5th short sleeve top with a cool hem. Another $5 is what that sold for. And then this actually came out of my closet, an Alfani sleeveless high-low tunic top. I loved this shirt, but with all my weight loss, I can't wear it anymore. So that cost me nothing. It sold for $13 though. And then this one sold for $8. This is a Worthington women's stretch. So my earnings were $18.20. So this was $1 out of liquidation, $0 out of my closet, 50 cents and 50 cents. So I've got $2 total invested. $18.20 is what I earned for it, and so I'm at $16.20 on that bundle. Then I've got a new with tags Exhilaration underwire padded bikini top. This actually sold for $10, but my earnings were $7.05. That came out of a liquidation box for $2, so $5.05 are my profits on that one. Then I have my new with tags Champion size XXL Freedom Duo dry soft tights. These I got out of a liquidation box because they're new with tags. So I paid $2 for that. $10.20 is what I earned. So $8.20 are my profits after that. Almost done. So I've got a swimsuit because it's summertime. You definitely want to sell the swimsuits. I did awesome on the swimsuit. This came out of a liquidation box for $2, $22.40. So I made $20.40 on this particular swimsuit. It is a new with tags Beach Betty Slimming Control mesh swimsuit. So I don't know what sold it on that. Maybe because it's black, maybe because it's Slimming Control. I don't know, but I was excited to make that much money on it. Then I have a new with tags Beach Betty Slimming Control bikini swim top, $12. $2 is what I paid out of a liquidation box. So $10 are my earnings. And then I believe I'm down to my very last thing. Yes, a Kenneth Cole Reaction 3060 padded underwear bra. I got this from Savers for $2. $4.25 is what I earned. So $2.25 for that item. So I'm going to add up how many total orders we have and then how much it totals out to for 2 days worth of sales on Poshmark. All right, I've got everything added up and it comes out to $138.55 for 17 total separate orders that I'll be shipping. Now, I want to be very clear. A lot of people have commented on my Poshmark videos before, well, you hardly make any money. I don't want to make just 75 cents. You have to remember, the number that I'm giving you is my earnings, which means it's after shipping, after fees. It's totally what Poshmark pays me. All right, and then the next number I give you is what I paid for the item, and then I deduct that from what Poshmark gave me I deduct what I paid for all of it, and then I come up with this total profit number. So this is positive numbers. And so $138.55 is I've paid myself back for all of these things that I've bought, plus then I got an additional $138.55. And so that's actual plus money after I paid myself back. And so it's after fees, after shipping, there's no other money taken out from it. So it's what Poshmark actually gives me minus what I paid for it. So it's positive money. So hopefully that helps for you to understand how that's all worked out. And you kind of saw the difference in numbers when I gave you my bundle numbers and what it sold for. And then I gave you the earnings, which obviously was much less because it's after fees. So hopefully it's been helpful to see what I sold. And obviously love is in the air with those wedding sets selling. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.